making many of his inventive designs for items which improve conditions for the miners. The routine work involves sharpening the drills for miners, hand tools, making hooks and spikes, and looking after the rock drilling machines. I made sure that the safety gear for the cages was kept in good order too. Oh, I love my job of working here.
Julian, this is where I work with the band practice for being
$90 massive half-yearly clearance on now. King Coil Conformer Essence Clean Mattress on
This is what a miner's cottage would have been like inside.
That's what we're going to use.
What do you reckon, Fred? We'll get this last whole car.
After crushing, the ore is mixed with water, which can in the stamping battery. So after leaving the stamping heads, the slurry flows over some mercury-covered copper plates just here, which trap most of the rest of the gold. The slurry then flows over this coarse fibre blanket, which traps even more fine gold. From the fibre blanket, the slurry passes onto the wood table, which vibrates like this. These vibrations can separate any really fine gold and other valuable minerals. This whole process operates around the clock 6 days a week. And every Saturday we close
takes a lot of patience. But don't worry, there are other treasures in that trough. Keep your eyes open. There are small gems in the troughs. These have... Take a gold pan, roll up your sleeves and pick a trough to pan in. Hold the pan with the ridges facing away from you.
They're all different sizes.
I've got 5 jumps. And I dropped one. I dropped one.
You've got to go through the door to get your normal clothes again. Carry ladders will also give you some gum boots to wear because it's a bit muddy underground as well.
I send it up to the guy who works on this puppet head, wheels it across. Quartz we find gold in Bendigo. None of the grey rock will have gold in it. So he tips the quartz down here and that's trucked to another mine.
Very cooler. Already cooler. It's a really little one. Oh, maybe on that last notch there even. Is that okay? It's not falling down? You can do that, and then, yeah, if you find it's too tight, just adjust it again.
Oh! Come on, that's a bit of a show off. Hey!
Now this lid.
Well, that's given it started.
Come out into the pool. We're looking at the same shaft, except now we're 61 metres under where we were. So we're on level 2. Level 1's very boring, that's why we come to level 2. Level 1's like... That's it, oh, it's hard. Yeah, we're getting off the... That's it, use your weight, pull, pull. Imagine if it was full. That'd be ridiculous, wouldn't it? You can see And the miners are tunnelling away and they think there's got to be gold down here because we saw that indicator. And the boss comes down in 1944 and says, guys, we found gold. It's on 9. We need you down there. Pack up your stuff, get down there. And they never got back to this level. In the 1980s, they thought they would make this into a tour, and they thought, well, that's not much of a tour, though. So this room was built on in 1990. Miners didn't have fancy rooms back then. The moisture around here in summer, all this water about, we get toadstools growing. Where is it? And that's because it's where that wave in the rock turns over. So as it's been pushed into a wave, all the centre country, that turnover area in the rock, has been crunched together and broken up. So it looks like it's straight up and down. But it's just where we should find the quartz, really. If we follow it going... So if it's creaking, what would we do?
Run.
Yes. Yes, we would leave, we would run away. These little clothes. Aha! That's what they use today. Good question. And you're drilling a pattern of holes every shift, maybe 20. Okay. And they've even put a rock bolt there to keep it in place. It's okay in the wall. It's not okay in the roof. Now, you call the roof the back. Lots of quartz coming up through the back now. So if you're a miner, you'd be like, ooh, we're getting close. There's quartz in the back. So you got to look at the quartz. Give me that tiny little bit in there. It looks like gold. So there's little blobs of yellow in the quartz. That's the gold over here. Sandy, it's got a label to show you where it is. And the iron pyrites is the silvery stuff, and that's the fool's gold. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's pretty. It's just not as valuable. I think it's too brittle. When we find nice pieces of fool's gold down here, and we're holding it, sometimes it just breaks in our fingers.
So is it only in little flecks, or does it come in big chunks as well?
And if you happen to have gold in that piece, you get to keep it.
Until you get upstairs, then you have to have a...
You're blowing me, Brian. Okay, we're going down.
It could have gold in it, so you want to get it to the surface to crush it to see if it's got gold in it. But to get it to the surface, you have to get it to the shaft, don't you? We're not on level 2 anymore. We're not on level 3. We're straight down that hole to level 3. Next shift picks it up on level 3 already. Isn't that clever? So miners, excellent. I think of them as lazy. They're trying to find the easiest way to do something, but it's actually over there. Have a look at the quartz there. It's not in a line. It's actually shifted. So sometimes they would have these events like an earthquake or something, and it could actually, there's a fault line along there, and it's shifted. There's another one down there. The quartz should keep going, but it doesn't. It just moves over. So it's just broken away during an earthquake. Amazing. Now we're going